Which one's for mommy? This one? And then this one is for you? And then did you get the origami 100 sheets? This one? And then you got this one and this one? Hey, okay? We good? Six? Five for you and one for mommy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm just gonna teach her some of it.
Okay.
What does this sign for? What does this sign for here?
It's handbell.
These origami papers are 6-inch square.
Yes. So we can look around. Shopping store. Come on. I see a happy kid over there. There. I think.
Aren't we gonna go to toy store? How do you turn this on?
It's on. It's recording.
What is this? Hello. Hey guys, it's another video from Alex Taylor. What is this, seaweed?
Yeah, that's a seaweed. Seasoned seaweed.
What are we doing now? I eat
The
it.
one you tried yesterday, the one I gave to you, the lace, the kyushu.
What?
The kyushu. When we were at the beach yesterday. The one that comes with
Once we get on the train, hey guys, this is another Blue Shoes adventure. Hey guys, this is another flip-flops adventure. Oh yeah, flip-flops adventure.
Why did you sprinkle on me? Why? Cover your nose, please. This one chocolate,
I
green
like
tea.
green tea.
Okay, how about this one, green tea? Like that one, the Pocky or the Pedro? Like that one?
If we get this, we can't get our toys.
Oh, I'll give that for you and then okay? Just have to choose one chocolate.
Okay,
So,
I'm not gonna get this.
no, I'm gonna buy that for you. Okay? How about you kiss it?
Can I still get my toy?
Yes, put it in your car.
Okay,
Are you good
this
with that?
flip-flops adventure is still beginning.
Oh, because this one is focused chocolate, that one. You have to dip the chocolate. You have to dip the sticks in the chocolate.
I'm just gonna, I want this one.
You want that? How about Pocky? Are you good with the green tea?
This one already comes with,
Yes.
on it.
So I also have
This one you have to dip.
You don't that one. You have to dip that one. I'll have a matcha too. Okay, let's go. You good?